Hey Cardano holders, so this is a very urgent update for all of you, and exactly my friend, very good news for all of you. So don't skip any second, and please before I get started this video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. First of all, congratulations all of you Cardano holder. To Cardano is wake up and starting moving upward completely. As you can see, last 7 days 3.77% increase, last 24 hour 6.5% increase, and you can see a 0.88% just in only a last 1 hour the price is increased now. So it's mean my brothers to the Cardano is completely in the profit, and definitely my friend, because after a very long my friend long time, absolutely I already tell you my friend in my previous videos to they will moving upward. So today this is proof my brothers, you can see my brother, it's mean to my prediction is completely going to be right. Therefore 10,700 people trust on ABS channel. They are all subscribed our YouTube channel. So kindly you also subscribe our YouTube channel if you want to this type of update videos now, my brother. So this time, my brother, I predicate this coin. I'm going to predicate this coin, but you can say this time the Cardano price 1.33 USD dollar. The price fails down from 1.8 USD dollar to 1.3 USD dollar. Definitely, my friend, they fails down because every cryptocurrency, my friend, will fails down, especially in previous days. So therefore, don't see this short fail. I know my brothers to upcoming time they will again starting for now. So why you are waiting my friends for a loss? Just and only you hold it, and I hope my friend in upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. Let's see my brothers, this time my prediction is absolutely tell this my friends to upcoming time they will move upward more and more, and they will give you a very good profit, because you can see my brother this time the current condition is also going to be very good, and last 1 hour just in only 88% the price is increased now. So therefore 0.88% the price is increased now. So therefore I will tell you my brothers too, if they're moving like this, so exactly my friend my prediction is going to be positive now, and they will completely go in the moon now. Let's see, but kindly hold up please before you take any decision, research personally. This is very good for you my brother, please research personally now my brother. So Cardano holder, my prediction is going to be positive now. My opinion is absolutely this my friends, to please hold it. And what's your opinion, what's your prediction, please tell me in a comment box. I hope my brothers you already predicate this coin. So let's see my brothers too, the future is going to be bright or not. But my opinion, my advice, I expect this my friend from Cardano, the future is going to be bright. Let's see. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.